Dear students, good evening. I.M.N.Ramdas. I welcome you to my channel Maths from Basics for you. So, without wasting much of our time, let's begin d by dx of a to the power of d by dx of ax plus b to the power of n. The solution for this is, I taught you dy by dx equals to what? N into ax plus b to the power of n minus 1. This is your differential as good as x to the power of n. So, similar to this, x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. But now we have innermost function where we have a constant a and b, where ax is nothing but a is a constant, x is a variable. So, what we have to do? We have to differentiate the innermost function too. So, what we do is into d by dx of ax plus b. So, what I will do is ax plus b. So, this is the solution. What we will do is, so we go one step ahead of this. So, I will write that is n into ax plus b n minus 1. What I will do is, I will take this a outside into, I will take a into d by dx of x plus d by dx of b. So, as you know, d by dx of a constant is 0. So, what we will do straight away, we will write this is 0. So, what we will do is, so this a I will try to bring it to the just beside n, because since it is a constant is, so what we will do is, this is equals to a into n, this is a and this is n into ax plus b to the power of n minus 1. So, d by dx of x is 1, we know that. So, this will be 1 into, plus 0. So, therefore d by dx of ax plus b to the power of n equals to a n into ax plus b to the power of n minus 1. So, this is the solution. Please make a note of this. Y equals to minus 3 by 5. So, let us apply this rule. This will be dy by dx equals to 5 into dy by dx of 8 minus 3x to the power of minus 3 by 5. So, this equals to what? 5, I will take a bracket. So, this becomes minus 3 by 5 into 8 minus 3x minus 3 by 5 minus 1 into d by dx of minus 3x, it is not plus, see this minus sign. So, this becomes what? Minus 3x, this is plus 8, so plus d by dx of 8. So, what I will do is, I take this minus sign out. So, this becomes minus 3 into 5 by 5. So, this becomes 8 minus 3x to the power of, let me see this, minus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 1. So, 5 is LCM, minus 3 minus 5. 1 goes 5 times, 5 into 1 is 5. So, this is minus 8 by 5. So, this becomes this becomes minus 8 by 5 into this 3 is there into 3 into 1 plus 0. So I'll write this as 0 because I want that space. So I'll remove this. So we have 1 3 here. So this minus 3, this is minus 3. I will remove this also. I'll put minus 3 because d by dx of 3 once you take, you will have minus x. So minus x becomes 1. So minus 3 is this. So what I will do is I will multiply this minus into minus. This becomes plus 9. This 5 cancels. You get 9 into 8 minus 3x to the power of minus 8 by 5. Okay. So we have a minus here, that is minus 3. So minus into this minus 3 into minus 3 becomes plus 9. This 5 cancels. So 8 minus 3x by minus 8 by 5. Nothing. So what I will do is we can stop it here, or further you can simplify this. So this becomes what? This becomes 9 by, I will send this to the denominator, that becomes 8 minus 3x to the power of 8 by 5. So this is what? 5th root of to the power 8. Remember this. So this becomes what? Therefore d by dx of 5 into 8 minus 3x to the power of minus 3 by 5 equals to what? Equals to 9 by, so 5th root of 8 minus 3x. This is the answer. 5 by 4, 5 by 4, 6th root of 1 by 9, 1 by 9x to the power 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Now look at this problem. It looks complicated, but it is not difficult. So bring it to a standard form. So the standard form is, try to concentrate on this fellow. 1 minus 9x. This is of type ax plus b. So you have to bring it to the standard form. Don't look at these values. They are confusing. But look at this fellow and try to bring it to a standard form. How to go about it? Follow me. So what I'll do is, first we'll simplify this. I'll write 5 by 4 and let square bracket. So I'll do 1 minus 9x to the power of 6 by 5. We have 6th root. So what I'll do is whole to the power of 6th root. So what has happened here? We have 3 brackets, common bracket, flower bracket and a square bracket. So about this I'll teach you later on. We have BODMAS. According to that we have to solve. Now what we'll do? We have to solve this 6 by 5 into 1 by 6. We know that nth root of x to the power of m equals to what? X to the power of m whole to the power of 1 by n. Okay, now we have here m is nothing but 6 by 5. Put that value as it is. So I'll simplify this. So we have x to the power of 6 by 5 whole to the power of 1 by 6. So this becomes m into n. So this equals to what? x to the power of 6 by 5 into 1 by 6. So this 6 cancels, it reduces to x to the power of 1 by 5. Look at this, poor fellow, from where to where we have come. So this becomes what? The inner function becomes, shall I have this? Please make a note. Okay, done. That is 1 by 5. Okay, that becomes 5 by 4. So इसको देखिए क्या हो रहा है. So we'll put this, we remove this lower bracket, 1 minus 9x to the power of 1 by 5. Isn't it? That 1 by 5 had got. So now it is easy to differentiate. Now what we will do is, we will apply, this is nothing but our y. So let us apply differentiation rule. So this becomes dy by dx equals to 5 by 4 I will take outside, 5 by 4 I will take it outside. So this becomes d by dx of 1 minus 9x to the power of 1 by 5. समझ में आया? देखिए इसको हम डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं अब. सो डी वाई बाई डी एक्स, इसका जो कांस्टेंट था उसको मैं बाहर ले लिया. सो इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है डी वाई डी एक्स ऑफ 1 minus 9x to the power 1 by 5. ಅರ್ಥ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನ ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 minus 9x to the power 1 by 5. Now let's differentiate. ಈಗ अब डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. दिस इज 5 by 4. आई विल टेक दिस. इसको क्या है, x to the power of d by dx of x to the power of n into x to the power of n minus 1. So this becomes 1 by 5 into 1 minus 9x. This becomes 1 by 5 minus 1. So this becomes minus, I will take this minus sign outside, d by dx of x, and this is constant d by dx of 1. So d by dx of constant क्या बोलता है, 0. This is 0. इसको भूल जाइए. तो क्या हो गया, d by dx of x is 1. So what I do is, इसको क्या करेंगे, LCM लेंगे by 1. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 1. So 5 is LCM, 5 goes one time minus 5. This becomes minus 4 by 5. So this is minus 4 by 5. So ये क्या हो रहा है, 5 by 4, 1 by 5 also I'll take it outside, जिसको भी वैल्यू ले लूँगा. So into 1 by 5. So 1 minus 9x to the power of minus 4 by 5 into minus 9. Okay, so that is 0. Forget about that 0. Let us think. So we'll take this 9 also outside. So we have, that is equals to 5 by 4 into 1 by 5 into minus 9. We have left it what? 1 minus 9x to the power 4 by 5, sorry, 4 by 5. This is 4 by minus 4 by 5. Okay, so here this 5 cancels, right? So this becomes what, minus 9 by 4 into 1 minus 9x to the power of minus 4 by 5. Further we can simplify this. This becomes what, minus 9 by 4 into 1 minus 9x to the power of 4 by 5. Done? Okay. So this 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4, it has come to denominator. So this becomes positive because minus 4 by 5 becomes plus 4 by 5, and this power has come to this. Okay. Now we will apply this, which is nothing but minus 9 by 4 into, see, this is the power is this is its power, 1 minus 9x to the power of what? 4. So therefore d by dx of 5 by 4 sixth root of 1 minus 9x to the power of 6 by 5 equals to minus 9 by 4 into fifth root of 1 minus 9x to the power 4. This is the required answer. All these problems are quite similar to each other. Let us not waste our time. We will go to the other type, that is d by dx of, what we do, d by dx of 1 by ax plus b to the power of n. So without wasting much of our time, let us start d by dx of 1 by ax plus b to the power of n. So I'll take, now y equals 1 by ax plus b to the power of n. So we have to solve this. So what is the solution? As usual, I'll send it to the numerator. Once you sign this sign, whether it is positive or negative, sign should change. So what we'll do is, we'll do this is equals to ax plus b to the power of minus n. Can I write like this? So this becomes your y. So what does it imply? I have brought this to the numerator where this plus sign becomes minus sign. So this becomes what? Minus n into ax plus b to the power of minus n minus 1. Okay, we differentiate this. So minus n minus 1. So into d by dx. What? We have differentiated d by dx of the whole. Now we have to differentiate the inner portion. So this is minus n into ax plus b to the power of minus n minus 1. This portion is over. Now differentiate the inner portion, that is d by dx of ax, we have plus, we put plus d by dx of b. So we know d by dx of b is 0. Let us go for next step, that is minus n into ax plus b. I'll take minus value common, that is n plus 1, and this I'll take a outside, a into d by dx of x plus d by dx of b. So we know d by dx of b is, d by dx of b is a constant, d by dx of a constant is 0 since d by dx of constant equals to 0. So I'll rub this, yes, that is equals to minus an into ax plus b to the power of minus n plus 1 minus n plus 1. Now into d by dx of x, and this is 0 because of this. So what this further equals to minus an into ax plus b to the power of minus n plus 1 into 1 plus 0. So this is equals to minus an by, I bring it down, so this becomes n plus 1 minus an by n plus 1, that is, therefore d by dx of 1 by ax plus b to the power of n equals to this value. This is the required answer. Y equals, we will go for problem number y equals five by 4 into 6th root of 1 minus 9x to the power 6 by 5. So here please note, this looks complicated but it is not so. It is a very easy problem. What you have to do, bring it to a standard form. So how do this? Catch hold of this person. This will give an indication. Whatever you have a variable within it, that will give an hint for you to how to do. What you do is, you try to bring it to a standard form of 1 d by dx or 1 by ax plus b to the power of n. Bring it to that form. This rest you will simplify. It will be easy for I do how to go about it. So what I will do, I will write this 5 by 4, I will bring it outside. So what I will do, this is 1 by 1 minus 9x to the power of 6 by 5 whole to the power of 1 by 6. Can I write like this and close the bracket, because we have taught you nth root of x to the power of m equals to x to the power of m whole to the power of 1 by n. So the 6th root becomes 1 by 6th. So further simplify this. This is equals to 5 by 4 1 by, this is, I will remove this bracket, 1 minus 9x. So we have 6 by, this can be simplified as like this, that is x to the power of m into 1 by n, that is equals to x to the power of m by n. So using that is, so we are left with what? 6 by 5 x to the power of 6 by 5 into 1 by 6. So 6 cancels, this becomes what? X to the power of 1 by 5. So this becomes 1 by 5. Done. So the next step, push it to the, send it to the numerator. Denominator becomes, send the denominator to the numerator, and this becomes what? 5 by 4. This becomes 1 minus 9x, 9x to the power of minus 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So this is our y. Finally we have solved this and brought it to a standard form. Now you can apply differentiation rule, what I have taught in the beginning. So this is equals to what? 5 by 4, I will write as it is. So this is 5 So this becomes what? Minus 1 by 5, 1 minus 9x to the power of 1 minus 5 minus 1 into d by dx of this portion, that is minus 9x. So minus 9x minus 9x, we have plus sign here as plus 1, so plus d by dx of 1 finally, and close the bracket. So we know that if I just rub this step, please see, I bring this minus sign and this outside, so this is equals to 5 by 4 into minus 1 by 5, this becomes 1 minus 9x minus 1 by 5 minus 1. So I take this 9's outside, this becomes 9 into d by dx of x, and this is 9 also outside, so this becomes what? 5 by, I'll take this minus sign, see, I'll take 5 by 4 into minus 1 by 5 into minus 9, so this becomes what? 1 minus 9x to the power of minus 1 by 5 minus 1 into 1. I rub this. So now minus into minus, I will cancel this and this cancels. So minus into minus plus, that is equals to 9 by 4. This is 1 minus 9x, so minus 1 by 5 minus 1. So 5 is LCM. One goes minus 1 minus 5, this is minus 6 by 5. So this becomes minus 6 by 5. So that is equals to 9 by 4. I will side it to denominator, that becomes 1 minus 9x to the power of 6 by 5. So this is nothing but 9 by 4th into, this is 5th root of, so 5th root of 1 minus 9x whole to the power of 6, d by dx of 5 by 4 into 6th root of 1 minus 9x to the power of 6 by 5 equals to 9 by 4 into 5th root of 1 minus 9x to the power of 6. This is the required answer. So with this note, I end my class here, today's class here, and I request you to share my video, like my video, and to subscribe to my channel, so that you will be aware of my videos, what all I post to you, it will come to you as a notification. So dear students, God bless you, take care, good night.